Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to invite manager to Squarespace domain. So there is a step-by-step guide and make sure you will have logged in. When you just logged in, as you can see, there is an option manage domains. So just tap for manage domains. So right now it will be just loading, and after completing, as you can see, there is an option of dashboard, and dashboard means that your site will be here and you will just go in domains of your site. So right now there is no domain because I don't buy a subscription of this website. So when you just subscribe for the this domains premium access, and you will be able to invite manager to Squarespace domain, or you will just get or transfer a domain to manage them through Squarespace safely. So that's it. Thank you.